Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Good. What? Well, I have some bad news. It's mostly bad news for me. I forgot my chesty, so this is going to be interesting. Trying to film everything. Grab my arm.
Huh?
Watch where you're walking.
I know. I am. I'm not reading right now.
Okay.
Fireworks.
Oh yeah, fireworks tonight. Fireworks and a bonfire tonight is the plan.
So we're gonna do these first, not these.
This is my favorite part of Christmas.
Am I gonna die?
And you don't even need anything. No fluid, no nothing. It just goes up so well.
Look at it. Gonna
Ooh.
light this on fire like a marshmallow. Okay, I'm gonna get that.
You're gonna jump over the fire. No.
Hand me the fireworks.
Ooh, that's getting pretty big. Maybe I should chill out for a second.
Give it some gas. That'll make it better.
Give it some gas? No. I'm gonna give it some gas.
See, with the gas, that makes you know what happens to mommy.
Oh, mommy's gas?
Yeah. If she has bread, that comes out. You know what I mean, right?
Yes.
Two gas.
Mm-hmm.
I want one.
One for you. One for you.
Catch it on fire. Oh, I'm right, my name. Magical. L. Nobody touch this. Nobody touch the ashes. Josie. Moving it towards me. Exclamation point. I'm Dr. Strange. Can I make a portal? Kinda. Make a portal.
Woo!
That's one.
Should have aimed for the head.
Did that one out the window? Wow! How do you do that? He doesn't.
I'm Satan.
How to try?
So after the fire went out, we lit a tiki torch and Jules told some spooky stories. And then I heard her scream that the fire was spreading. The fire was out, but not the tiki torch fire. So this is the aftermath in the morning here. No tiki torch left, as you can see. Fire was pouring down here, all over the steps here, all the way to the fire pit. This was sitting here. Fortunately, it didn't pour this way because that would have melted. There would have been even more fire into our little garden area. But I didn't get any of that on camera, but I did get the aftermath. So here's that. It was quite the ordeal.
Well, now we don't get to have Eddie. Yeah. That's
We just had a fire. First fire ever. First time I've ever had to use the fire extinguisher because of a tiki torch. So here's a heads up, guys. If you have old tiki torches, go ahead and just chuck them. Don't use them year after year. Those little canisters rot out. And
that's what happened.
and just, yeah, that's what happens. So just get rid of them. It came down the railing. You can't see it. It's too dark, but you okay, kid? Here, down. Come on down, bud. Yeah, I know. Come on, don't breathe it in. Come on.
Yeah, I was like holding Sawyer. I was like, get inside.
That was nerve-wracking. So yeah, a little PSA for you. Always have a fire extinguisher. Thank God I haven't checked this in forever since we moved here.
Which was
Make
how
sure
long
it's not
ago?
expired, and don't use old tiki torches. Don't be cheap. They only cost like $3. Okay, I'm gonna go clean up the rest of this mess, make sure everything's out. Alright, so here's what happened here. The bottom completely...
on the floor.
Oh, alright. The bottom completely rotted out. And we lit it up. And it took a few minutes. until the entire tiki torch and our stairs
I'm gonna tell the story.
in the back. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so we were just, the tiki torch was burning, and then I said, the fire is spreading, and, Daddy ran over and he got like a machete and he tried hitting it and he said, get back on the, on the deck, and he, hit it and it went all everywhere and it spread and he ran inside and my first thought was, he's abandoning us? And then he came out and he came over and
Would you stop? You're so obnoxious, Shadow.
and then he sprayed it and then I was coughing and I realized, I hope this stuff isn't poisonous. And then afterwards, Daddy told me that it sucks all the air out of like the fire, so it like kind of stops. And I said, it's sucking all the air out of me.
And that's what happened, and that's why you don't keep
Reuse
these suckers.
Reuse old tiki torches.
Reuse old tiki torches.
Don't do it. Dad looked behind and he's like, oh no.
Well, yeah, that's about it.
Do not reuse old tiki torches. Ever. Hello. Especially old ones.
don't reuse old ones, especially old ones.